Hello everyone. From this video you can learn new features and updates in Angular 13. Angular 13 has been recently released version. It has few features and more updates are available. These are the major updates. Let's see what these are. First one is view engine is no longer available. It means in current version it's completely removed. Instead of that, they introduced a V compiler. In previous versions, also we have an option to enable AV. Now it's 100%. The main advantage of AV is it can compile individual components independently. Okay, then it automatically improves the performance. Let's see how view engine works. We have template HTML. It has template variables. These template variables synchronize with scripting variables, and it gathering the template information. These information translates to the DOM through Angular interpreter. DOM means document object model. Then it automatically renders the view. Okay, and next EV rendering pipeline. In this we have template HTML. These template variables are synchronous with scripting variables, and then gathering the template information. This translates to the DOM without Angular interpreter. Then automatically it renders the view. Okay, and next one is IE11 support removed. In previous versions we have an option to run Angular applications in IE browser also. Due to some load issues, now it removed because it has differential loading. Differential loading means we need to create separate bundles for different browsers. Okay, that's why it removed. Due to this we have advantage for developers, and it will be fast loading and better user experience also. Okay, and one thing is, while migrating the project we need to run ng update command because it automatically remove these IE specific polyfills and reduce the bundle size also. Okay, and next one is router changes. In our Angular application, routing means navigation between the two pages. In routing we use router link directives. Whenever we want to pass the parameters to router, we can pass input parameters. Okay, if suppose I passed the input parameters values like null or undefined, it treated as empty string. Okay, this is one disadvantage in previous versions, and another disadvantage is, and then it doesn't block the navigation link also if parameters as empty string. This is another disadvantage. In current version, it automatically disable the navigation if the input parameters as undefined or null. Okay, and next one is creating dynamic components. In previous version also we can create dynamic components by using component factory resolver. Let's see here code has. We need to instantiate the component factory resolver, then only we can create dynamic component. In current version no need of instantiation for component factory resolver. By using view container if we can create dynamic component. Okay, and other few changes are here. Support for TypeScript 4.4 new version, and it has Angular package format changes, and it supports RxJS 7.4 and few improvements in localization, and it has few updates in Angular material while accessing the controllers, like it has a larger touch sizes. It's a minor change. That's it. Thank you.